To understand how a hen puts together the different parts of an egg, it is important to know what those parts are. This is a fresh egg broken out for you to see the different parts. The most obvious part is the big yellow thing in the middle of the egg. This is the yolk. The clear stuff is called albumen. It is also sometimes referred to as egg white, since it turns white when the egg is cooked. There are two main layers of albumen, known as the thick and thin albumen. The thick albumen is closest to the yolk and, as the name implies, is relatively thick. The outer layer of the albumen is much thinner, giving it the name of thin albumen. As an egg ages, the thick albumen begins to break down so that you have less and less thick albumen and more thin. To hold the yolk in the middle of the egg and so it does not get stuck on the inside of the shell are a pair of chalaza. Some people think that the chalaza is a sperm sac or a developing embryo. It is neither of these. The chalazae are made up of tightly wound albumen and function to keep the yolk in the middle of the egg. To hold everything together are two shell membranes and the hard outer shell. Now that we know the different parts of the egg, let's look at how the hen puts all these parts together.